everyone. Myself S.P. MYTHILIY, Department of Costume Design and Fashion, KSR College of Arts and Science Paruman, Tiruchengood. Let's start our session. Today's my topic is about knitting and non-woven. What is knitting? Knitting is the process of transforming yarn into fabric by interweaving loops created with the use of needles. Knitted textiles make particularly any styles of garment are more comfortable to wear. Next, definition of knitting. Knitting is a process of using long needles to interlining or knot a series of loops made by one continuous thread. Each loop or knot connects to another one, and when enough loops have been made, the result is a flat piece of material called a textile. Originated from the Old English word chiton, which means to tie or with a knot. Next, we see about classification of knitting. Knitting is broadly classified into two types. First one, weft knitting, next warp knitting. Weft knitting. In weft knitting, the yarn is carried horizontally creating loops across the width of the fabric. Examples of weft knitting include single jersey, a basic knit with a smooth face and a structured back. Next, rib. Rib is a characterized by vertical ribs on the fabric surface. Purl creates a structured, reversible fabric with horizontal rows. Interlock, a double knit fabric with a smooth surface on both sides. Next, we see about warp knitting. Warp knitting, the yarn travels vertically, forming loops along the length of the fabric. Examples of warp knitting include tricot, tassels, Michelin's. Tricot, a fine lightweight fabric with vertical lines. Tassels, a virtual fabric with a range of structures and patterns. Mylinis, a closely knitted fabric with a diagonal rib structure. Next, we see about non-woven. What is non-woven? Non-woven fabrics are sheet or web-like materials made by bonding or interlocking fibers together through mechanical, thermal or chemical processes. Without the use of weaving or knitting, these fabrics are engineered for various applications from disposable products to durable textiles. Next, we see about definition of non-woven. Non-woven fabric is defined as a sheet or web structure made of fiber bonded or interlocked together by mechanical, chemical, thermal or solvent means. The definition excludes all fabrics that are woven, knitted or tufted together with all papers. Next, classification of non-woven. There are four classified into non-woven fabrics that are based on method of production, based on technology of raw material. Third one based on properties. Fourth one based on end of use of material. First one based on method of production, wet bonded, dry bonded, spun bonded. Based on technology of raw material, stable fiber non-woven, flamer fiber non-woven. Third, based on the end use of the material, durable, semi-durable, disposable. Fourth, based on properties, flame retardant, water absorbent, water repellent. These are all the classification of non-woven. Next, we see about scope and applications of non-woven. The scope of non-woven fabrics is incredible broad, encompasses a wide array of applications across various industries, from everyday items like diapers and wipes to specialized uses in medical, automotive and construction fields. Non-wovens are becoming increasingly prevalent due to their versatility and cost effectiveness. Next, we see about hygiene and medical products. These are all the applications of non-woven fabric. Personal hygiene. Non-wovens are widely used in disposable diapers, sanitary napkins, tamps and wipes due to their absorbency, softness and cost. Next, medical applications. They are crucial in surgical gowns, masks, drapes and wound dressing, offering barriers protection against infection and fluids. Next, healthcare wipes. Definition and healthcare wipes are often made from non-woven fabrics for their absorbency and disposability. Next, we see about industrial and technical applications. Filtrations, geotextiles, automotive textiles, construction, agriculture. First, filtration. Filtration is a nano-ones are essential for air and liquid filtration in various industries, including automotive, HVAC, and water treatment. Geotextiles, they are used in construction and civil engineering for soil stabilization, erosion control, and drainage. Next, automotive textiles. Nano-ones are found in car industry interiors including upholstery, headliners and trunk liners due to their moldability, flame tolerancy and acoustic insulation properties. Next, construction. They are used in roofing membranes, wall coverings and insulation materials. Next, agriculture. Nano-ones can be used as protective covers for crops, weed barriers and in irrigation systems. Next, last see about fashion and apparel. What is fashion? Fashion is a group of people accept a particular style that is called fashion. Interlining and interfacing and lining materials and disposable apparel. These are all the fashion and apparel applications in nano-one fabrics. First we see about interlinings and interfacings. Nano-ones provide support and structure to garments, enhancing their shape and durability. Next, lining materials. They are used as lining in clothing, footwear and accessories. Next, disposable apparel. Nano-ones are used for aprons, lab coats and other disposable garments in various industries. Thank you.